Good morning, everyone. I'm Currency Geek, and welcome to my day 16 video of the 100 Days of Technical Analysis Challenge. Today, ER card caught my interest, so let's dive right into it. Now, um, from the weekly time frame, um, I see a lot of things to be precise. Yes, I see a lot of things to be precise. So let's dive right into it. I'll be going far deep into price today and picking my trend line from this point here in price. We can see how well price broke this bearish trend. So we can say bearish, sorry, bearish trend broken. Okay, so we can say bearish trend broken. And if we actually look at this bearish trend, it has been creating a series of lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower low to this point where the breakout occurred. And this was a massive breakout which took out this last level of equal highs. And this was an impulsive move to the upside, and we have a corrective move to the downside. So I'm picking up my call out too. I'll just say this is impulse, and this is correction, correction. So we know price moves in phases, so we have the impulse, correction, and impulse phase. So what I'll be expecting is a or an impulsive phase to the upside. So this will be my expected impulse. Brilliant. Now with all of this known, let me zoom into price and let's dive down further into it. So looking left to get right, we can see this area of structure here, or this value of structure. We can see it's a previous area of structure here. So I can actually pick my line tool and place it far back into price. Okay, that area is good enough, and I can actually pick up my rectangle tool and just um from this level down to this level, yeah, of price. Brilliant. Now we had a fake out around this area here, but it's still all good, so I can just restructure this back to this level. Brilliant. Now knowing that we are expecting a move to the upside, my bias on EUR card will be to go long on it. So let's get down to the daily time frame, where I actually love to gather most of my confluences all together. So we have a bearish trend break, and you can see this impulsive move to the upside which created a gap, and looking right at it, the gap has closed with this choppy structure around here. And also, if we look at this sort of range bound here, we can see that it created a W pattern formation. Yeah, let me mark that out real quick, and we can see we have a W pattern formation which actually came back and closed a little bit below the neckline. And we can see last week candle, that was Friday candle, closed as an indecision candle. So there is a huge tendency that price will project to the upside. And in every of my videos, I've been explaining the concept of M and W patterns, which I will still explain today. And I said when those patterns form, they tend to come back for a retest at the neckline or a little bit below the neckline. So this is what we have here. Then a retest, also for the M pattern, then a retest. So with that being said and known, I hope you all understand the concept that when the retest happen, price tends to project in the direction further, and so we have it. So with that known, we can actually expect to go long on EUR card. Now, um, if we look at this real quick with our fibs, where's my fibs? Okay, here it is. Swing low to swing high. We can see how well it rejected off the 78.60 fib level, and it was an area of structure, a buy zone also to be precise. So it was just within this buy zone that it rejected, and if I zoom in properly into it, we can see, picking my box to, this is a minor zone within a major zone right there. Yes, a minor zone within a major zone. So nothing, just a retest back to that zone, and we expect a projection to the upside. And also, I'm trying as much as possible to gather quite a lot of confidence, or confluence to be precise, on EUR card. If I do pick up a trend line from this value here, from this point here, and pull it down into price, we can all see that it was just a break of this bearish trend, also this corrective trend, that CTL, a break of it and a retest of it with an expected projection to the upside. So with this known, I would be looking to go long on EUR card. I'll be looking to go long on EUR card and target 90%. That's this area here. So this will be my target. That's target, or 90%. So now with this known, I've actually been able to know why I'll be going long. We have a major bearish trend broken on the weekly time frame, an ICI pattern, impulse correction, and impulsive pattern on the weekly time frame also, and we have a major buy zone on the weekly time frame, and also on the daily time frame we have this minor buy zone down here with a gap closure, and also a corrective trend line or corrective trend broken. So that's actually confluence to go, reasons to actually go long on card. So I'll be going to the next time frame also to get a glimpse of what it's saying on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we can see how well this wick rejected. Yeah, after a massive move to the upside, I actually broke this level, this previous area of structure. Yeah. So with that known, I can actually create a bias of this wick, because like I say, wicks equal to rejection. So let me tag this here. Wicks equal to rejection, or let me go do that on the daily. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Wicks equals rejection. So once we know weeks equals to rejection, there is a huge tendency that we know that price would actually get a reversal or be reversed of this level. Yeah, so I'll be looking to go long on EUR card. So to the 1 hour time frame, we can see, yeah, how this was just a big bearish move to the downside, and immediately it got consumed by bullish candle, which was just a massive rejection that created a wick on the 4 hour time frame. And also, if I do pick a trend line of this level, yeah, you will see that this is just a corrective trend with a huge tendency of projecting price upward, breaking it, and price jumping to the upside. So back to the daily time frame, my sentiment on card is to go long on it from this level right here. I'll be looking to go long on it from this level right here. A long, yeah, just to go long on card. So nothing much, and I do hope you understand how I came by this bias of going long on card. If you do have a sentiment in alignment or against mine, please do drop it in the comments down below, and also please do like and follow. Thank you.